Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Proto EO app. First, open the application and log into your account. You will see your dashboard, which displays all your existing projects. To begin a new project, simply click the New Project button. Choose a device type, such as a mobile phone or tablet, and then select a template or start with a blank canvas. This initial setup is crucial for organizing your design workflow effectively. Now let's dive into designing. Drag and drop elements from the component library onto your canvas. You can easily customize their properties, including size, color, and font. To make your prototype interactive, link screens using transitions and define different states for elements. For example, a button can change color when pressed. Remember to frequently save your work and use the preview feature to test your design. To truly bring your designs to life, explore Proto EO's animation capabilities. You can create complex sequences and micro-interactions that mimic a real app. Importing your own images, icons, and custom fonts helps maintain brand consistency. For team projects, utilize the collaboration features to share designs, gather feedback, and iterate efficiently. This streamlines the design process and ensures everyone is on the same page. Once your prototype is polished, it's time to share it. Proto EO allows you to export your project in various formats, including HTML, for easy viewing in a web browser. You can also generate shareable links, enabling others to interact with your design and provide valuable feedback without needing the software. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. This helps you present your work professionally and gather insights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.